At an altitude of 25 meters above sea level, the Grotta del Tuono, or Thunder Cave in English, is located on Marittimo Island in the Egadi archipelago. This cave shows evidence of prehistoric humans and deer that lived on the island between 8,600 and 13,700 years ago. There are food remains like patella, together with deer elephas remains, which suggests that Homo sapiens was present on the island during the Mesolithic era. Most likely, humans crossed the channel between Sicily or Favignana and Marittimo using boats between 8,900 and 8,600 and 13,700 till 13,200 years calibrated before present. This research stresses the importance of a multidisciplinary approach that supports the hypothesis regarding mammal dispersal and human colonization in the Egadi archipelago. Hence, we understand that human crossings did not take place in the Neolithic era as previously supposed.